Every day people ask me if they should be using Shopify or ClickFunnels for e-commerce. I'm about to give you the answer right now.
Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
What's up everyone? Adrian Morrison here, and today I am hosting a showdown between two of the most well-known platforms for e-commerce, and that is Shopify and ClickFunnels. Look, it's no secret, I love both platforms, and I have half a dozen awards from ClickFunnels for generating millions of dollars through their platform, and I'm one of the few people that's gotten their $50 million award. Now, on the flip side, I've been running Shopify stores for nearly a decade, and I'm one of the only certified and endorsed Shopify partners in the world. So believe me when I say that I think both of these tools have their advantages and can be used in e-commerce. And on today's showdown, I'm going to explain to you the advantages of each platform and which one I think you should use if you're just getting started as a beginner. But before I do that, make sure that you smash the subscribe button, because every single week I put out training videos completely free just like this, and you don't want to miss them. Now, first, let's talk about ClickFunnels. Some of the advantages of ClickFunnels are that you have a drag and drop sales page builder. Now, with ClickFunnels, this platform is really great if you have a one product store, meaning your goal is to sell one specific product and you want to build a complete entire sales funnel around that product with upsells and downsells and cross sales, and you're looking for volume, right? So ClickFunnels is great for one product stores. It's also great for selling information products. My entire information and education business is on the ClickFunnels platform. And with ClickFunnels, it is super easy to build an email list, right? So with ClickFunnels, I gotta say, if you're just looking to sell one single product and go all in on that, and you're not worried about building like a real big e-commerce brand that would obviously host like various different products and would obviously have a large social media presence, then ClickFunnels is a great way to get started just selling little trinkets here and there in the e-commerce space. Now let's talk about Shopify, because even though I love ClickFunnels, if you're just getting started in e-commerce with dropshipping, I highly recommend starting with Shopify, and here's why. Because Shopify is easy to use when it comes to building an entire e-commerce store using a done-for-you template with done-for-you pages. They have shipping controls, which are way more advanced than that of ClickFunnels. So being able to control the shipping costs from the US, from Canada, from the UK, Australia, and other places. They have advanced integrations with vendors like AliExpress and Zendrop and Oberlo, and this makes it so much easier for you to add products to your store and get them off the ground really quickly. So look, bottom line is, while both can be used for dropshipping and e-commerce, Shopify was actually designed for this kind of online business and is my go-to choice for complete beginners to start an e-commerce store. Now, when you want to really go advanced and you have a product that you know is crushing it and a product that you know can get a bunch of sales, then ClickFunnels is an amazing platform, because you can put that product on ClickFunnels in a one product funnel and you can really scale it with customizations. So you want to know my honest opinion between both ClickFunnels and Shopify is, when you're really advanced and you're really scaling, you'll use both, because they both have major pros that compensate for some of the weaknesses on both platforms. With Shopify, you got a big brand, it's easy to list products and sell those products and control the shipping and handling. There's a lot of apps that you can plug right in that'll optimize conversion rates, but you're not really able to drag and drop and build like complete sales funnels from A to Z. With ClickFunnels, well, integrating e-commerce products is a bit more technical and tedious. It's definitely worth it if you know how to do it, But with ClickFunnels, you're able to scale because you can make quick edits to the checkout page, which Shopify doesn't let you do unless you are using their Plus platform, which is pretty dang expensive. So I do love with ClickFunnels that you can edit the checkout page, and you can even use certain apps that can push your sales from ClickFunnels to the Shopify CRM. I'll talk about some of those in future videos. So the perfect combination is using Shopify and ClickFunnels together in perfect harmony. So you can build your brand, you can scale your business, make the edits to your funnel that you need to do that Shopify won't always allow you to do, but have an amazing CRM that can control your email list. So make sure that if you liked this video, you smash that subscribe button. And if you're sitting here like, okay, Adrian, you said ClickFunnels is great, you said Shopify is great, but you said Shopify is the best place to get started as a beginner. How do I start on Shopify? Well, if you look below this video in the description, there's a link to a case study for my Ecom Quick Start program that's going to show you exactly how I took a random product, listed it on Shopify, a brand new Shopify store, and scaled it to $100 a day in less than 24 hours. And even better, you can literally copy and paste the entire funnel. I show you the product, I show you the Facebook ad, I show you everything. So if you click on that link below, you can watch that completely free case study, join my Ecom Quick Start course, and then I can show you the most important piece of the puzzle, which is how to find a good product. Because let's be honest, if you don't have a product that sells, it doesn't matter if you're using ClickFunnels or Shopify, ain't nobody buying. So make sure you check out that course. It'll show you how we find six-figure products and how we list them on Shopify to generate sales and build a massive email list. So go check that out right now. And again, smash that subscribe button and make sure that you show up next week for another completely free training from me on how to crush it with e-commerce and crush it with Facebook ads. Comment below. Let me know. What'd you think about this video? Do you use ClickFunnels or Shopify? Which one do you like better? So do that now. I'll see you next week.